How to fix Temu no internet connection error. Have you opened the Temu app and suddenly seen a no internet connection error even though your internet is working fine? This can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to browse deals or place an order. In this video, I'll show you the most common reasons behind this issue and how to fix it step by step. Welcome back. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to fix the Temu no internet connection problem on both Android and iPhone, using only safe and official methods that actually work. First, start by checking your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem resolves. Sometimes Temu may not load properly on a weak or unstable network, even if other apps are working. Next, completely close the Temu app, remove it from recent apps, then reopen it after a few seconds. A temporary app glitch can often cause connection errors, and restarting the app refreshes the session. Now, turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection and often fixes internet-related errors in shopping apps like Temu. After that, check for app updates. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Temu, and update the app if an update is available. Older versions of the app may stop working properly and show false connection errors. If the issue continues, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Temu, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, you'll need to uninstall and reinstall the app, since iOS does not allow manual cache clearing. Next, check your device's date and time settings. Make sure they're set to automatic. Incorrect date or time settings can cause apps like Temu to fail connecting to their servers. Another important step is to check if Temu servers are down. Sometimes the problem isn't your internet at all, but a temporary server issue on Temu's side. In that case, waiting for some time is the only solution. Here's a pro tip. Avoid using VPNs or ad blockers while using Temu. These can interfere with the app's connection and trigger the no internet error. To sum it up, the Temu no internet connection error is usually caused by network issues, app bugs, outdated versions, or temporary server problems. By following these steps, you can fix the issue quickly and get back to shopping. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple how-to tutorials, and comment below. Did your Temu app start working again?